Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So you can see the Fed meeting was rather productive. So you can see significant effect on the markets, not only on euro currency. You can see the same effect on the dollar index and in particular on the 10-year bond. So everywhere we see some acceleration in euro currency in particular. So actually everything that we said recently and last week and the end of the week about the rising of the bearish concern on the euro currency was correct. So you can see that just we have brought some trigger in the way of the Fed meeting. Everything is dropped. So and you can see that euro currency right now is turning back down. As we said, first destination point will be the lows around 1 or 350 area approximately. So currently market stands at daily average sold. Next downside target below these lows will be an XOP with this big ABCD pattern on the daily chart, so we probably should remember that. And it stands around 1 or 2, slightly higher, 1 or 2 or 3. And it is enveloped by two different targets of the potential butterfly. So if we will get here some minor bounce, this might be the right wing of the butterfly, and actually two extensions stands around 1 or 250 and 1 or 150. So somewhere in between we have the XOP. If downside action starts, this probably will be a scenario around 1 or 2. It will be next destination point. On the lower time frame, if you take a look at the 4 time frame chart, here you see what has happened. It's just everything started with this minor grabber, as we said. But this, when this action started on the Fed reaction, it's actually was no time to make the decision because it actually was really fast, and market has completed the classical picture that we have here in the way of the pennant and taken out with the loss. So here's trading plan has worked nice. Gap here also was closed. And currently for a position taken, if you haven't taken it in the previous sessions, we should watch for a couple of levels. First one is 104.15, where market stands right now. As you could see, next will be confidence around 104.55. This area is also interesting is because take a look at previous natural support resistance area. It also will be here some gaps have been formed, so it will be also additionally it's a natural support resistance area additionally to the fib level. For entry, you could, as usual, make your own choice how you would prefer to do this. So once again, maybe it makes sense to consider splitting of the position in parts. Of course, you could wait directly for a confluence. Chances that market could try to reach it exist, but because it stands at oversold, so retracement might be slightly greater than usual. From that standpoint of view, it makes sense to wait for 104.50 directly, but this is not very important question. Actually, it's more tactical. Splitting of the position, it's easier way to act, and it will be almost as good entry as with the entry round of confidence. On the hourly chart, I do not see something really special here. We have here is minor ABCD pattern, and price actually is already completed some kind of the minor, let's call it regardless triple two, but it's actually more looks like just minor ABCD pattern with the target right around the 104.15 area. Here's actually collapse was significant, so we should forget about the XOP. Divergence yesterday, by the way, has worked also nice. So remember, additional to the grabber, we had that divergence. So that's actually what we have currently on euro. Hardly will get some significant action tomorrow, but overall direction has been set recently by the Fed. And after the pullback that we're actually watching for and trying to use it for possible short entry, downside continuation has good chances to happen.